My name is Kasamba Salim, the CEO for IEC Materials Consultants and a digital connector for Bugiri District and Luero. IEC Materials Consultants Limited is a one-stop digital shop providing digital packaging materials for agricultural products and information across East Africa and Africa at large. I used not to be a digital connector to agricultural communities, but after COVID I had no job, so I retreated in the village and thought of ways I can make money. So one of them was to link up with the farming communities, and I realized they had a challenge in communication. Since they were not digitally literate, they had no materials to package their produce right from the gardens up to the market to get better prices for their produce. I met some of these farmer groups, including Baida and Nabijingo Circle, and realized there's a big farmer base. Much as they were disconnected to the digital world, I found out they had a lot of capacity. For example, Nabijingo Circle, I discovered it has got over 200 young farmers that were in need of extension services, and it had got over 36 youth groups that are very active. So I understood what they wanted: to get better prices. I can work from anywhere, they place their orders. Digital connection has been a life-changing opportunity for me. This is where the money is. You don't have to move. Most of the resources are here. I earn sustainable and good income. Then I also got a chance to train other young people in the digital skills, digitizing communication to the farmers.
Nkozesa isimu lino namukubira isimu nti alo Kasamba Salim oliyo ati ndiyo timperezaako awo obuveera 40 gati era nje okubaawo nga nkaali nga buntuuse ku munimiro yembandi nasobola okupakinga ebintu byange nabituusa yebiri kujja kusaaga. Era sente edijja mu buveera bwomuwerekeza kuki ku mobile money era nganirwamu kunsinziira ebintu byange tibikayononeka tibikakubya maadi napakinga yatuuka ku mulembe gwendi kwenda omutindo era nafuna muki amagoba gene agawera. Nfuniyemu isano irungi kuba nsomesa abaana ntole sente mu kiseera.
I have a solar projector. I train them about packaging. They get to understand the product and they pay for the service. All this is money. And I've also employed 3 people to make sure we provide training on digital packaging materials using solar projectors. I've got to understand more the farming communities. Staying with them, working with them, understanding them is one skill that I've now acquired, especially that has influenced my co-creation. Intensifying digital training about packaging and entire extension services using the available technologies, training more digital connectors to reach out to these people. The young people that are producing soybean in Bugiri District, after providing them with packaging materials, they have now been allowed to produce both seed and grain. Since they have good packaging materials as one of the requirements for setting up a local seed business, they are now in the final stages of acquiring certification and have so far been given over 300 million through the agricultural credit facility. And it was a result of the way I profiled them, trained them using the digital platforms and tools that are available. My plans are capitalization of the farmers themselves to boost their purchasing power by acquiring loans that are affordable and even interest-free. On my side, I also need to capitalize my operations to be able to make bulk production of customized materials and then keep selling smaller pieces to the smallholder farmers that can only afford a few pieces at a time. And I'm trying to make my company bankable so that I have enough equity to serve all the smallholder farmers with the standard packaging materials that will allow them fetch profitable prices at the market. And the future is bright, and we are already there. Whether I'm in a taxi, I can work on you. Whether I'm at home, I can work on you. Anywhere. I'm focusing on supplying digital packaging materials to Africa as a whole. The demand is there, and the demand is effective. Whoever is demanding has the capacity to pay.